Hi guys, so today we are diving into the rich and flavorful world of Mughalai cuisine with a classic recipe, Mutton Korma. This creamy and aromatic curry is a masterpiece of Indian culinary art. The tender mutton is cooked in rich and flavorful curry made with yogurt, cashew nuts, fried onion, and a blend of aromatic spices. The result is a dish that's both luxurious and satisfying. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of making mutton korma. From marinating the mutton to preparing the gravy, I'll make sure you have everything you need to recreate this delicious dish in your own kitchen. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. So let's get cooking and experience the royal flavor of Mughalai cuisine. So now let's begin. So first take 600 grams mutton, boneless. You can also use with bone. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and give this a nice mix. And marinate this for about 1 hour. Then simply dry roast 5 bay leaves, 1 mace spice, 2 black cardamom, 6 green cardamom, small piece of nutmeg, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 8 cloves, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon black peppercorn, and then dry roast it until light brown. Then allow it to cool down completely. Then take a mixer jar. Add all the dry roasted spices. Make sure they are cooled down at room temperature. Then blend it to a fine powder. So the masala powder is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 4 onions sliced and fry it until the onion is nice and brown. Make sure not to over brown the onion as the gravy will taste bitter. Make sure the onion is something like this. Then remove some onion in a separate plate. Then add the marinated mutton and give it a nice mix. Then add 2 cups water and cover it and cook it for about 20 minutes. Then take a mixer jar, add the fried onion, add 20 cashew nuts, half cup yogurt, and blend it to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then check on the mutton and add half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add the masala which was previously made and cook the masala for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the onion and cashew nut paste which was previously made. And cook it for about 2 minutes. Then add 3 cups water and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the mutton is soft and the curry is nice and thick. Then give it a nice mix. And add some salt to taste. Add 2 stock cubes. Add a handful of chopped coriander leaves. 1/4 teaspoon kevra water and give it a nice mix. Make sure the thickness of the curry is something like this. Then allow it to cook until the oil separates. As you can see that the oil is separated. Then add 2 tablespoons butter and give it a nice mix. And cook it for about 2 minutes. And there you have it guys, a rich and flavorful mutton korma. The perfect blend of tender mutton and creamy gravy is sure to satisfy your cravings. Also, it is a simple and an easy recipe you can try at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And if you try this recipe at home, be sure to leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. I would love to hear your thoughts and see your creation. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.